Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install a door sweep under this door. As you see, the big hole over there. So we live in Chicago, Illinois, and it is very cold here. Right now it's snowing, and so the cold is coming inside the house, and that's why I'm gonna install this door sweep. This one I got it from Home Depot, and make sure you choose the one you like it, and the color, and also make sure it goes inside the door, not outside. Okay, so this is inside the house, so it goes inside, not outside. Okay, there is a lot of videos out there, and they don't explain if it goes inside or outside. So to do this project, we need scissors, measure tape, marker, maybe a drill, and a screwdriver. Okay, everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your door or to yourself. This video is for education purpose only. So I'm gonna start. Let me put my phone here. So I'm gonna take it out from the plastic here. Okay, so first we're gonna cut this piece, extra piece here. Okay, the other side. Okay, and then this is longer than the door, so I need to cut it. See, it's it's 31.5. Also wear glasses so you protect your eye. So the door is 31.5. Okay, so now let's measure this. 31.5. My marker here. Okay, 31.5 right here, so perfect. We save this hole for the screw. So now let me cut it here with a saw. Just a minute, okay? So I'm gonna cut it here. Let me go to a table or something. You know, I am not a professional construction guy, so I don't have all the tools, you know. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut it with my scissors. Okay. More light. Okay, there you go. So it's perfect. And make sure it touch the floor. Okay, so when you open it, you hear. So don't put it like too high. Make sure it touches like the floor. Okay. And now with the marker, make the hole for mark the holes for the screw. It is 1, 2, 3, and 4. It didn't go through. It's funny. Okay, so but I have another idea. Okay, I have another idea. A minute. Sorry guys, but I didn't know that. So I'm gonna drill some. Can you see it? Okay. Gonna make a hole. Okay. Right there. Just a little bit. Okay, I think that's enough. No, I didn't get it again, so I don't know. I don't want to go so deep because okay, right there. Okay, right there. Okay, that's all I want. Here, 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 and here. Okay. So now let's use the drill just a little bit because we don't want to go so super deep. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Okay. So now this came with the screws. Now let's switch to my drill. I made the holes a little bit lower. A little bit lower because that way I make sure the sweep do the job, you know. So okay, right there. Don't tie it all the way yet. I'll let you know why. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now let's see how it's working. Okay, you can hear. That's why I didn't tie it all the way through, because I want to make sure it's working. Okay, so now we can tie it. No problem. Go slow, because you can break the plastic. Sometimes it's better to use a screwdriver. Okay, like I like to use my screwdriver because that way you don't break anything or you don't over tie it. Okay, a little bit more. That's fine. Okay. So I don't know. So now it's good. See? Perfect. And by the time you will use it every day, then it will get better every day. So, but look at it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, give me a like, and check my other videos. I need to paint here a little bit. Okay? Happy New Year!